Hi friends, welcome to a new video. If you drink these two ingredients together, then even the doctor will be surprised at how your belly fat disappeared so quickly. Today in this video, I am going to tell you such an amazing home remedy, due to which your belly fat and obesity are going to be vanished forever. You don't need much ingredients for this remedy. One thing kept in your kitchen is enough to make this recipe. But before learning to make this recipe, you have to pay attention to a few things. You need to know why your obesity is increasing so much. What is the most responsible thing in increasing your obesity? Is all-purpose flour or maida? We all know that, in our life, the use of white flour is increasing day by day. How many things do you eat in a day that is made of white flour? Which you like best in its taste, but that's going straight to your belly fat, or it enhances your hanging tone of your body. As you all know, pasta, pizza, burger. And don't know how many things that are made only from white flour, if you really want to get rid of your obesity. So first of all you have to remove white flour from your diet. After that, if you use my mentioned remedy, then you will see yourself how fast your weight is being lost. You will start seeing the effect from the first day. So without much delay, let us start to make this recipe. To make this remedy, we need cumin seeds. Do you know how helpful cumin seeds are to reduce our weight? To make this remedy, you will need a vessel or fry pan in which the water can boil well. You have to take a spoonful of cumin seeds. Also you need 1½ glass of water. Add them to the vessel and we will boil it well. We have to boil this water, until this 1½ glass of water becomes just 1 glass. Friends, we all know that, people sweat in the gym for hours to reduce obesity. But even if you don't sweat, you can still lose fat with your smartness. For smartness you have to use this cumin seed remedy. How do cumin seeds reduce our weight? There are such antioxidants found in cumin seed, that boost our metabolism. First of all, let us know how to use it. It eliminates accumulated fat in the body and melts like wax. And will not allow more fat to deposit. Cumin is not only good for belly fat and obesity, it is also useful for many diseases, like, if someone has any problem related to heart, cumin can remove all those problems too. With cumin, our hair will also become very healthy and our skin gets better. Cumin seed also helps in digestion in our body. It helps us to get rid of the problem of gastrology or acidity in our stomach. Cumin saves us from many such problems like pain in the joints of the body, flatulence, etc. It also removes bad cholesterol from the body, which will stop us from gaining weight. Ladies who are pregnant or feeding mothers need more iron in their body. This water is very useful for these ladies. Now back to the remedy. As you can see, our water has started boiling. Its color was also changed to yellow. All the elements that were inside the cumin seeds have transferred to our water. And 1½ glass of water has become 1 glass. After boiling, strain it in a glass using a steel strainer. Now our drink is ready. So you need to know how to take it. Now it's very hot. Let it cool down for at least 10 minutes or make it lukewarm. Now we will add honey to it. It is best if you add organic honey to the mixture, because some of the store-bought honey may contain unhealthy ingredients. So try to choose a healthy and natural honey. You have to take a spoonful of honey. Keep one thing in mind, that people who have diabetes should not use honey. They can have this drink even without honey, or they can add a little lemon to it. You have to mix it well. We have added honey to this because honey is very good for our skin, to bring freshness to our skin. As our weight decreases, our skin becomes a little dry. So it keeps the shine on your face well and keeps your face glowing. Now here is our drink ready. Now you have to know how to use it. Friends, you have to drink this in empty stomach in the morning. Do not eat anything for 1 hour after drinking it. Once you take care of these 3 things, then your stomach will reduce in a week. First you have to consume it only twice in a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. Within 1 hour of drinking it, you should drink at least 1 to 1.5 liters of lukewarm water, which will help you a lot in reducing your weight. Second, when you consume it in the evening, then have it only after 2 hours of eating. Third, when you consume it in the morning, you have to drink at least 1.5 to 2 liters of lukewarm water within 1 hour of consumption. After that you can see how your belly fat disappears. Also, you will not have weakness in your body because it is rich in iron. Also, the honey we used in it will also give strength to your body. If you take this remedy in this way, then even the doctors will be surprised that how did you reduce your weight so quickly. Please comment me the result of this remedy. How it worked for you. Hope you find this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful content.